A few days ago, a suspicious Scorpio was found outside the residence of India's richest man, Mukesh Ambani. The Scorpio, which was parked few kilometers away from Ambani's luxurious Antilia in South Mumbai, was filled with 20 sticks of gelatin. There was a blue bag in the car with Mumbai Indians logo and a letter addressed to Ambani's, a threat letter that warned them of further consequences. The letter that said, "Picture abhi baki hai." The Mumbai police was probing the matter, but on Friday the plot thickened further. The police had found that the number plate on the Scorpio matched to the vehicle in Ambani's security convoy and that the Scorpio vehicle was in fact stolen from Vikhroli area in Mumbai. The car was tracked to Mansukh Hiren, who in his statement to Mumbai police said that his car had not been in use for over a year. He said that he recently drove the car because he wanted to sell it. He said that his car had broken down, after which he parked it at the Mulund-Airoli link road. He said that when he returned to the spot the next day, the car was not there. On Friday, Mansukh Hiren was found dead. He allegedly committed suicide by jumping into Kalwa Creek. Police says it appears to be a case of suicide. Eventually, some reports also stated that Jaish-ul-Hind had taken the responsibility of the incident. However, they released a statement denying such reports. The case has since rocked the Maharashtra State Assembly as the budget session is underway. Opposition BJP has been raising question over the manner the investigation was handled. Opposition leader Devendra Fadnavis asked Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to hand over the case to NIA. However, as of now, the Home Minister has transferred the case from Mumbai Police to the state ATS. However, as the mystery deepens, new revelations are coming to light regarding the case. So let us understand the new updates in the case one by one. On Friday, Mansukh Hiren was found dead. The suspicious car found outside Ambani's residence was tracked to him. Hiren was a vehicle spare parts dealer. According to Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, the car did not originally belong to him. The car's owner was Sam Newton, who had given it to Mansukh Hiren for maintenance of its interior. Hiren had then kept the car in his custody when Sam did not pay for it. During the investigation, the crime branch of Mumbai Police had recorded Hiren's statement in the case. He said he had also lodged a police complaint after the SUV was stolen. However, Mansukh Hiren's wife said that since the Scorpio incident, he was being called to the police station regularly for questioning. On March 4th as well, while leaving the house, Mansukh said that he was going to meet Crime Branch Officer Taude for a routine investigation. According to Mansukh Hiren's wife Vimla, he said he was going to Ghodbandar to meet Taude as a part of the routine probe. But as soon as he left the house, his phone was switched off. Family members, neighbors also tried reaching him, but they could not connect. The next day, they registered a missing complaint in Naupada police station. According to the reports, Mansukh's last location was also traced at Virar, according to Naupada police station, where his missing complaint was registered. His last location was traced somewhere around 50 to 55 kilometers far from his residence. Before he went missing, he also wrote a letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray that has since been causing uproar in Maharashtra politics. He stated that he is being harassed and being constantly questioned. He also named some officers and journalists in the letter. Meanwhile, there is also a mystery surrounding the death of Mansukh Hiren. His body was dragged out of Kalwa Creek yesterday. Police suspect that this could be a suicide, assuming he might have jumped into the water. However, his family is not convinced and is planning to seek a second opinion. According to the wife of the deceased, Hiren was a good swimmer. As per the post-mortem report, water and mud had accumulated in Hiren's chest. However, Hiren's mouth was completely dry. A report in the Times Now suggests Hiren's mouth was covered with 6 handkerchiefs and there was a mask on top of it. Also, the mask was not stained. Opposition leader Devendra Fadnavis also said that when his body was pulled out, his legs were tied. However, there is no official confirmation regarding these details or allegations. But the suspicion has grown around his death, with opposition demanding probe whether it was suicide or murder. On the other hand, Shiv Sena leader Sanjay Raut on Saturday said it is crucial to uncover the truth behind the mysterious death of Mansukh Hiren. Raut said it is important to know whether Mansukh was killed or he died by suicide. He said a thorough investigation should be done so that the facts can come out and the culprits can be punished. On opposition BJP's demand to hand over the case to the National Investigating Agency, Raut said that giving the case to NIA does not mean the case would be solved immediately. The Home Minister has handed over the case to the ATS, which is capable of solving it. The case does not just get murky here. In an explosive allegation, Devendra Fadnavis also questioned Mumbai police officer Sachin Waze. He said he has a call detail record which shows calls between the deceased Mansukh Hiren and officer Sachin Waze. How is it that Waze had reached the spot of the incident even before any of the local policemen had reached? Devendra Fadnavis questioned. The revelation created quite a furore in the State Assembly yesterday. The government and opposition sparred over the issue of transfer, with the Home Minister asking if the opposition leader had a grudge against Sachin Waze because he has been investigating the fake TRP case in which Arnab Goswami is entangled. Commissioner of Police Parambir Singh, who was summoned to the assembly yesterday, chose not to speak to the media while exiting Vidhan Bhavan. Sachin Waze, on his part, briefed the media near his office and said, "I knew Mansukh Hiren as he was also from Thane." Now, Sachin Waze had been posted in Thane earlier. He said, and I quote, "He had told me that some cops and journalists were harassing him. It is false that he came to Crawford Market to meet me. I was also not the first to reach the spot. Gavdevi senior PI and traffic police reached before me." This is what Sachin Waze said, defending himself. Waze was later seen at Kalwa Hospital where Hiren's body had been kept, raising more eyebrows just before the Home Minister announced the case being transferred to the ATS. Just a few days ago, the investigation, which was being headed by Waze, was also handed over to ACP Alakure. So there are a lot of question marks and puzzles in the entire case. Let us see how the investigations unravel further. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.